Thanks for joining us today at Humless Energy Storage Systems. I'm Eric Lobdell at our Humless demonstration and training wall. Today we're going to go over the battery management system, also referred to as the BMS. We will discuss starting the BMS, checking the voltage, and shutting the BMS back down. Humless offers two types of UL listed cells. We have the rack mounted 5 kWh cell here in the Humless Power Tower, or the wall mounted option, which is an IP65 battery. Both options are 5 kWh, 48 volt platform with a built-in BMS. The 5 kWh cell is placed in parallel to a common bus bar using the two all-wire gauge battery cables which are included. Depending on the installation system size, you may have 4, 6, or even 8 battery cells. Always refer to the specification sheet for battery voltage settings and any other information. To turn on the BMS, first note the breaker located in the center of the battery. The first step is to switch it to the on position. Turning the cell on and off is a simple process using the RST reset button located at the bottom center of the battery. Use a small screwdriver, press and release the button. You will notice the BMS wake up as the indicator lights flash. At this point, you can use a multimeter to check the cell's voltage on the terminals. As a 48 volt battery, the Humless 5 kWh cell is shipped at a voltage of about 51 to 53 volts. For the voltage settings of the cell, always refer to the 5 kWh spec sheet on the Humless website. If there is a need to shut down temporarily or for the season, this is a very simple procedure. Turn off the battery breaker first, then press and hold this RST button until the indicator lights flash. That long press takes about 5 to 6 seconds. Once the lights stop flashing, the battery is off and inert. An example of when this may be relevant is if the battery bank is being enlarged or we have systems and cabins where the entire system is shut down for the winter season. In a future training video, we will be discussing bus bars, wire sizing, and the fuse size for the larger wire between the batteries and the inverter. Thanks again for joining us here at Humless. Always refer to the installation manuals for more information or contact us at any time at humless.com.